right, gang, for high knees, kind of a ramp up, probably something you've done when you were a kid. I'm not a track coach, not that it says track, but at the same time, I don't do these very often. I just kind of do these from a warm up, kind of get my heart rate going, keeps me dynamic, keeps me athletic, and that's why I like them. So really, a couple things for me to kind of focus on. Make sure you have a good stack of thorax on pelvis. So as you stack, don't lose and flex down, trying to get you out of this extended posture. And then as you're going through your high knees, try to keep that nice stack of thorax and pelvis throughout. For some reason, this is a coordination thing, but I've seen people when they're running in place or their high knee movement, for some reason I can't even do it. They go right knee, right arm. We want to try and do the opposite, right? So right knee comes up, left arm comes up in this position here, okay? And then vice versa. It just helps you stay balanced. It's more natural. Well, it should be more natural, very similar to how you walk. But if you find yourself kind of getting out of control and doing this, just stop and slow it down. And that's kind of the final point here. Maybe you notice I started out really slow, and then once I kind of got the rhythm, I sped up a little bit here at the end. So that's the ramp up. You can do that if you want, or you can go, if you have this under control, you can kind of get into it right away from the first couple repetitions. Guys, that is your high knees.